Hello everybody! Just to let you know, I entered a contest on YouTube channel and won. And I got this great box of 10 seafood that I'm going to open for you. And we're going to make some really good meals out of it this spring. The YouTube channel that I entered the contest on was on Bart Van Olifen's YouTube channel, and it's Bart's Fish Tales. Anyway, so what came in the box, let's do a little unboxing, was this great tinned fish cookbook, and we're going to try some the recipes out of the cookbook with the things that I got in the box. So that's just a quick look at some of the recipes that are in the cookbook, and I cannot wait to try these. I'm so interested in the history and the recipes that are in this. I cannot wait to dive into that. So that was there. Of course, we've got a thank you card, and this is enjoy the products, take care, hope to see you soon again, my YouTube channel. So if you guys really like seafood and you want to get a look at some different kind of seafood recipes, go to Bart's Fish Tales YouTube channel and subscribe. Anyway, here's a seafood story about some of the products and the people behind them, which I'm really interested in. And I really am excited about all of this. I hardly ever win anything, and so this was really fun for me. So we have some really nice boxes of sardines here in water, packed in water, which is different for me because when we get sardines, I always have had them packed in oil. So I can't wait to try them in the water. Anchovy fillets. I love anchovies. We've had anchovies on our pizzas and salads and stuff since I was a child. So I really like anchovies. So I can't wait to try these. We've got also 2 cans of skipjack wild tuna. And I don't often eat skipjack, so I'm really interested in trying these out too. So we have 2 cans of the skipjack, and then I also have 2 cans of the albacore wild tuna. And like I said, we're going to try some of the recipes out of the cookbook with these. And that's it. That's our fish tale for today, Sea Tales. Go and see the Instagram page, Sea Tales USA. Give it a like and a follow. And watch my YouTube channel that has the recipes on it. And we'll see about getting some of these fixed up from the recipes in the recipe book. And we'll see how they turn out. We'll see you next week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.